Does God exist? It is a question mankind has explored now for centuries. Tonight, a professor in New Orleans says he can prove God exists through science. For years, people have debated whether the existence of God is based on fact or faith. The two were not always so interchangeable, but this Tulane University professor says he can combine the two to come up with the same answer.
I think that Christianity and science have always been intertwined.
Professor Frank Tipler says by using a formula of hardcore science, concepts most of us would admittedly not quite get, the answer is simple.
What you can show using physics forces this universe to continue to exist. As long as you're using general relativity and quantum mechanics, you are forced to conclude that God exists.
Whether you're of the mind that's able to decipher all those symbols and numbers is one thing. Whether you're willing to see it as Tipler does is quite another.
God is love.
Bishop Eddie Long is a senior pastor at a Baptist church. He says the existence of God is not something you can prove through mathematical equations.
There's a lot of things we read, but until we experience it, until we encounter it, until we actually walk in it, it does not hold the substance of life that you actually need.
We talked with the Catholic Diocese of Kansas City and St. Joe. They say Tipler's teachings are intriguing and are not so quick to close the door on his ideas.
I think anytime we recognize that faith and science are not in conflict, that they're just two ways of knowing and that they need to come and dialogue together, that's a positive thing.
But it's coming out not of paleontology or religious mysticism, but out of hard-nosed physics, which is what I like.
You may be wondering, what are the professor's personal beliefs?
I became a committed Christian at the age of 12, and I remained so at the age of 16.
Tipler says he did find God again years later, but only by following the laws of physics. Tipler says he now believes God is the, quote, divine substance outside of space, time, and matter.
God exists. God is the cosmological singularity. I am not being blasphemous. I'm just following in the ancient tradition in saying science puts the tenets of religion up to the experimental test, and we find that God exists.
Faith might have something to say back to his reason. I'm not sure how he conceptualizes God, but we would be very happy to enter into a dialogue with him because his scientific evidence looks very interesting.
Tipler has a new book out that takes his principles even further. In it, he says physics can justify, among other things, the birth of Jesus and the resurrection of the dead.
Late-breaking news now. We just got some dramatic video into our newsroom showing a tornado in Oklahoma. Take a look at this. The twister touched down tonight in Arnett, Oklahoma, which is in the far western part of the state. Wow, you see the funnel right there. We're told it stayed on the ground for about 22 minutes. The tornado destroyed everything in its path, including a house and several buildings. So far, no injuries have been reported. Wow, you see it?
Wow.
Kicking up the terrain right there.
No kidding, and it's much nicer here, Devin.
Quiet night.